Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How you doing, Daryl? I hope it's just great. Now I'm in a park here. You know, this so cool condition, this so cool and fresh air in Mactan City, of course. Okay. Now we discussed about simple past tense. What is simple past tense? Simple past tense is a condition, is a sentence pattern to explain the work, to the activity that has been done, that has been already done. That was simple past tense. For sure, simple past tense use verb to. For example, do become did, go become went, come become came, and etc. There's so many. And in the simple past tense, using adverb of time, for example, yesterday, 2 days ago, last month, last week, last night, last year. And for example, simple past tense, I'm going to the park. Become I went to the park. Am and ing in a suffix of a verb, it has been omitted, and the verb go become went, and am is omitted. So I'm going to the park become I went to the park. Okay. Let's take the example next. The next example. I do my homework. For example, I do my homework. I do my homework. Do become did. So the sentence become I did my homework. I did my homework. Next, I call my friend. I call my friend. Call in a verb to become called. Called. Suffix it. Called. So the sentence become I called my friend. And the next, for example, I will take the bus. For example, I will take the bus is a future tense, and the activity is not done yet. So if we change into a simple past tense, become I took the bus. I took the bus. Okay, are you ready? Do you understand with that? Next, for example, I see a good views here. Become I saw good views here. See becomes saw. I saw good views here. Alright, students. The sentence pattern here using verb to and usually use adverb of time. And the sentence pattern here is subject plus verb to plus object plus adverb of time if we need it. So what if we change into interrogative sentence? In interrogative sentence, using auxiliary did. In every subject, use only one auxiliary verb, that is did. For example, I went to school become did you go to school? Okay. Note it here in question sentence, in interrogative sentence, the verb to is become reformed into a verb one. Came become come, went become go, did become do, and etc. And it is using the auxiliary did. What if we make into a negative form? In negative form, also using auxiliary verb, there is did. Okay. For example, I didn't sleep well last night. I didn't sleep well last night. Look here, we use did and adding by not become did not or didn't. For example again, I didn't make you confused. For example, I didn't make you confused. Look here, if we use did, made become make, reform to make into the first form of the verb. I didn't make you confused. Yes, students. Is there any questions about this video, about these explanations? You can ask me, and you can put your question into the send me my email or into my descriptions, or into you can call me directly. Thank you guys for your kind attention, and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.